Keep.
Remember, break left.
Say it again, Sean.
What are you doing? Watch the tree.
I think it needs a little bit further back. No, it keeps, this crack keeps getting bigger and bigger. Oh, it's going that. Oh, shit, it's going that.
Oh, Gene.
Did it hit something?
God. Just their tree. What a bunch of jackasses. Not you guys, just Gene. What? Awesome. So they had a bird house up there. Good work, my friend.
Are they home?
Oh yeah. He asked if they could cut a limb into their yard. How about a whole tree?
Well, at least it didn't land on anybody or any houses.
Yes, that's true, Colleen. Did a number on the birdhouse.
Well, it's a tree in a birdhouse. You're probably gonna have to probably rent a real chainsaw too.